Hey Taylor, how's it going? Did you have a good weekend?
Hi, Alex. Yeah, it was pretty nice. I went to the farmer's market on Saturday and bought some fresh vegetables. How about you?
That sounds great. I went to a new restaurant downtown. The food was amazing, and I tried a few dishes I'd never had before.
That's awesome. I love trying new foods. What was your favorite dish?
There was this spicy seafood pasta that was just incredible. I definitely recommend it if you ever go there.
I'll keep that in mind. Speaking of food, I've been trying to cook more at home lately. Do you have any easy recipes you'd suggest?
Sure. One of my go-to recipes is a simple stir-fry. You just need some chicken, vegetables, soy sauce, and a bit of garlic. It's quick and really tasty.
That sounds perfect. I'll definitely give it a try. By the way, have you started reading any new books recently?
Yes, I'm reading a novel by a British author. It's a mystery thriller, and it's so gripping. I can't put it down.
I love mystery thrillers. What's the title? Maybe I'll read it next.
It's called The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides. The plot twists are just mind-blowing.
Thanks for the recommendation. I'll add it to my reading list. Oh, and are you still going to the gym regularly?
I am. I've been trying to go at least 3 times a week. It really helps me stay active and relieve stress.
That's great to hear. I need to get back into a regular workout routine myself. Maybe we could go together sometime.
I'd love that. It's always more fun to have a workout buddy. Let's plan for next week.
Sounds like a plan. All right, I've got to run now, but let's catch up again soon.
Definitely. Take care, Taylor.
You too, Alex. See you later.